How to see your Instagram password if you forget it. Hello everyone, let's get right into the tutorial. If you open Instagram application and try to view your Instagram's password there, then you will nowhere be able to find the password. In order to view your Instagram password if you forgot it, open your preferred browser or the YouTube application on your device. Here, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on Manage your Google account. There you will see the security option. Tap on that. Scroll down to the bottom until you see the password manager option and then tap on that. Here scroll down and find the instagram.com and tap on it. Enter your email ID password and verify it's you. Once verified, you will be able to see the password of your Instagram account. Tap on the I like icon to see your password. You can also tap on copy button and you will be able to copy the password too. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.